Hi everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking at Home, I'm making another traditional Ukrainian dish, Varenyky stuffed with raspberries. This year, we had a big raspberry harvest in our little backyard garden. After eating lots of fresh berries, we decided, let's cook something. And what better than homemade Varenyky? Before we will start, so what are Varenyky? They're Ukrainian dumplings, like Polish pierogi or Italian ravioli. Today, we're going sweet with raspberries. You'll find the ingredients on the screen and in the video description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to support my channel. All right, let's get started with the dough. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a stir. Next, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil. Now add 2 cups of boiling water. Mix again. Then knead the dough with your hands. Sprinkle some flour on your surface and knead for a few minutes. Set it aside. Fill a pot with about a gallon of water. Set it on the stove and turn on the heat. Add a pinch of salt. Now let's prep the raspberries. Remove the stems, rinse them, and slice into small pieces. Put them in a bowl. Back to the dough. Sprinkle your surface with flour. And roll the dough flat, about 1 to 1.5 millimeters thick. Cut circles with a glass or cookie cutter, about 4 to 5 inches wide. Re-roll the scraps to make more rounds. Back to the berries. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of sugar, and mix. You'll see some extra juice. Scoop out. We don't want our stuffing too wet, but don't discard. Then add to juice 2 to 3 tablespoons of sour cream and stir. That's our topping. Now the water is boiling. Time to shape and cook the Varenyky. With juicy fillings like berries, make and cook them one by one. Take one dough round, add a teaspoon of filling, fold it over, and pinch the edges to seal. Drop it into the boiling water right away. Repeat for the rest. Once they float to the top, wait 1 more minute. Then scoop them out with a slotted spoon onto a plate. Top with the sour cream and berry mix, and a few chopped berries as garnish. And that's it! Our sweet Ukrainian Varenyky are ready. Enjoy and bon appetit, or smacznego!